Hello everyone, welcome back to TinaTeach. Today we have a new coding series. We're going to be learning about Python. So for this first lesson, I'm going to teach you how to download, how to set it up, and write some, simple code to see what it's all about. So I'm going to click on the Python official site here, and I'm going to download the latest version for Windows. They also have in Linux and Mac OS as well. So if you are running on those operating systems, you can check that out. So I'm going to click download, and then I'm going to wait for it to download. So let's click on the downloaded file, click run, and then click install now. To your start menu, then we have the IDLE here. All right, now let's enlarge that. Now I'm actually going to change the preferences for a bit. Configure IDLE to highlights, and then let's do a dark version. Then let's enlarge the font. Apply, cancel. Alright, now let's test this out. Okay, let's try print, parentheses, quotes, hello world. Let's close it, enter. Alright, now let's try a different thing. Let's open a new file. Let's do print, hello, what's your name? And then input. Down here, let's type in print one more time. Nice to meet you. Close it. Input one more time. And then exit parentheses. Control S to save. Now, what I'm going to do is I have already created a folder called My Python Projects, and that's where I'm going to save it in. And I'm going to save it as project 1. Replace it, yes. And then let's exit. Let's go to your folder and let's try running project number 1. I'm going to press Control and then scroll to zoom in. Then I'm going to type, my name is TinaTeach. Enter. Nice to meet you. And now if we enter one more time, the program will exit. That's it. Alright, I hope that you remember all of that. Thank you for being here with me today. I hope to see you next time. Remember to like and subscribe. Learn today, better tomorrow. Goodbye.